I'm going to introduce some notation to you. So imagine we have an integer, let's say whole number. An integer is all the negative numbers and all the positive numbers, and whole numbers are just all the positive numbers. Well, that are whole, no, not fractions. A, we were to divide that number A by the number B. This is the same thing as saying A over B. This is just the fraction notation of division. Division and fractions are exactly the same. You divide the top number by the bottom number. I can show you if I 1/3, for example, 1/3 is the same thing as dividing 1 by 3. If we were to divide 1 by 3, do the whole long division thing, 0, and then we put a 0 right here. 3 can go into 10 3 times, and we get 9. And that just gets us subtract, get 1, bring down another 0, do it again, and 3 can go to 9, and it keeps going on forever and ever and ever. And that's the same thing that 1/3 is representing. It's representing 0.33 of 1. Because if you multiply 0.3333 times 3, you get 0.99999999999, which is almost 1. And if you multiply 3 times 0.3, you get 3 times 1, which is 1, and then 1 divided by 3 divided by 3 is just 1. My point is that this and this are the exact same. This is just a fraction notation of it, which we use more often than just writing this out right here. Instead of that, we write this, even if it's like 110 over 5, or I guess in this case 2 over 1. Well, you wouldn't write it like that. You just say that's 2. You just write that as 2. Usually you write a smaller number for the numerator, otherwise, it's an improper fraction. But yeah, fraction notation. Division and fractions are the same thing.